I think you can do it. Gussie will help you. You will.
No, I know how to open presents very good.
He's helping.
He just wants to help. Here, Gus.
Huh? What?
That's the present. Uh-oh.
Oh, look at that. Hope he's so strong.
Use the take the tape off first. Just be smarter than the box.
Gussie, here.
Here, Gus. Here, Gus. This is for you. This is Gus's. Here, Gus. That's yours, Gus.
Open it.